What's going on, fellas? We're burning some serious midnight oil tonight. Luckily it's not too loud for the neighbors, but it's definitely kind of exciting. We got a flare burner going tonight that's used to burn off gases. This is just a simple off gas flare. There's no compressed air assist, no blower, none of that stuff. No propane assist, just an electric igniter. Be patient, guys. Here in a second we're going to do some wind resistance testing using two different squirrel cage blowers, some high velocity blowers. Alright guys, this fan right here ain't no joke. This thing's putting out every bit of a 40-mile-an-hour wind here. Maybe even more. This squirrel cage is like a 4-amp motor. Pretty powerful motor in this thing. So, let's turn it up here and see what a bigger flare does in the wind. This is quite a bit of gas. The spud size is working out great. I don't know that we're at the .08 bar, but I am going to hook a pressure gauge up to this tomorrow. I just wanted to do a quick test on the current design to see if I needed to do any more modifications, and I'm going to say it's done. This thing's unstoppable. It won't go out. So fellas, there you go. 100% wind resistant. Got a little bit of strange buckling going on there I gotta fix, but this is just the first test. We'll fix that up. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got here. This thing is made to where we can take it apart and change the spuds inside of here in case we don't like the spud size. Might want to clean it every once in a while also. This is all stainless steel construction. These bolts are cadmium dichromate plated, so they're not stainless steel, but they are very weather resistant. All the welding is stainless steel. This is the bottom. And these Ventura slots are very important to, when the wind blows up against the side of it, it kind of thrusts some air up in there into the combustion zone versus drawing all the air out on crosswinds here. This piece here, I'm probably going to cut off somewhere about in this area and drill a couple holes into it, and that's going to be stiffened up with another piece of metal. I might actually cut that out to here, but I think this would be where we're going to mount this with. We'll drill a couple of holes in here, and then you can just bolt this thing to a pole. It's upside down right now. Let's take a look down the belly of the beast here. I noticed I need to do a minor adjustment. Or actually, it's moved back. The heat buckled it on me a little bit is what happened. So it might do that occasionally, but for the most part, this is what it looks like down the barrel. This top combustion zone is for when we're on high flare. That lower combustion zone is for low flare. And when it gets super, super low, we just have a traditional spud burner in place. But getting this thing to be as wind resistant as we just seen is not as easy as I made it look. I'm gonna tell you that. But this design works far better than the tube and screens and all that jazz I had going on. I'm not even gonna waste the time uploading any of that or even trying any more of that. I think this is pretty good.